What's up, people? We're talking about the top 4 new home communities here in Leesburg. Let's go. What's up, everybody? Muoki here. I'm a realtor with the Redux Group here in Leesburg, Virginia. If this is your first time, welcome. It's a pleasure to have you. If you've been here before, go ahead, get your popcorn ready. We're going to get started in a second. You know your phone is your friend. You got my number right here. You got my email as well. Hit me up anytime and I will take care of you. We got your back if you're thinking about moving here to Leesburg. Let's get into this thing. And kicking things off, we've got King Street Station in downtown Leesburg. You got prices ranging from $600 all the way up to $750. You've got modern home styles and the historic access of being right in the heart of downtown Leesburg. I mean, you've got the W&OD trail that's literally right on your front door. You've got breweries, you've got history, you've got downtown entertainment right in your fingertips. At your fingertips. Again, the prices range from the low 400s, maybe high 300s, all the way up to $750. The square footage ranges from 700 all the way up to 1,800 square feet. If you want to be right in the center of the action, this is as close as it gets because you're right there. Next up, we've got Meadowbrook Farms. This is a new single family community. I call it, these are the blue house community. These are, you'll know them when you see them. They're ranging from about 700,000 to 900,000, about 1.5 miles from downtown Leesburg. You've got the toll road, which is right down the road. You've got the super Walmart, which just came up on Compass Creek. And so you've got this combination of access for commuter access. You've got access to entertainment and access to history. And you've got a really cool home that really is something of like the talk of the town. So next up, we've got Tuscarora Village. Now, this is a super cool condo townhome community that's right on the corner of Battlefield Parkway and Route 7. And what's super cool about this is these are modern style homes that are right on the opposite side of the village at Leesburg. So you're on Battlefield, you've got Tuscarora on one side and you've got the village on the other side. So you've got all that has to offer. You're also just like 1 mile away from the outlets, from Costco, from Target, from Five Guys. And you've also got the giant Best Buy that's also right across the street on Battlefield Parkway. Now, one of the things to note about this community is that there is construction underway right now to build a new off-ramp from Route 7 getting off onto Battlefield Parkway. So that's going on right now. But once that clears up, it's gonna open up Route 7 Battlefield a lot more. Traffic is going to flow a lot smoother. It's going to be a really good experience where you're close to the highway without having to deal with lights and all the hassle that comes with a highway having a street light on it. Prices for this are around between 400 over 500, and it's pretty typical for pretty typical price range. Between 400 and 600 is the sweet spot for condos and townhomes in Leesburg. All right, next up, we've got the Woodlands at Goose Creek. These are, you've got townhomes and you've got single families. The townhomes range from 550,000 to 675,000, between 2,200 and 3,000 square feet. They're called grand townhomes because they're really, really big. And then you've got single family homes ranging from the low 700s all the way up to the mid 800s. And what's super dope about these is the single families have got main level masters. It's Southern style porches and just entertainment galore. With the townhomes, you've got options for 4-level townhomes with 4th floor suites, rooftop terraces. I mean, these are incredible homes. And they're big too. The townhomes are up to 3,000 square feet. The single families are up to 5,000 square feet. So you're getting a lot of space, a lot of room to breathe, room to grow into. So that's what we got today. The top 4 new home communities in Leesburg. You know, Leesburg is a cool town. It's a mix of historic and modern and growing. The city of Leesburg is growing, particularly now with what happened in 2020. 2020 is a watershed moment in housing for a lot of people, for a lot of reasons. On the one hand, you've got the low inventory. On the other hand, you've got the prices going high. But on a much larger level, you've got these opportunities to live where you want, not just where you have to, because of the work opportunities that come up from working from home, from being semi-mobile, semi-remote. And with the interest rates being so low, you can afford somebody could afford a home that is 2,000 square feet at the same price that they would that is maybe 1,000 square feet in a different community, because the interest rate balances out the monthly payment. So the crisis often brings opportunity with it. And this is a great way to seize an opportunity while it still is around. As I often say, when a unicorn is in town, you ride that thing as quickly as you can for as long as you can. All right. So that's all I got for today. Muoki here. If you got anything that I can help you with, subscribe, comment below if I missed anything, comment below if there's something you want me to talk about. And you got my number, guys. You got my email here, and you know how to get a hold of me. So from me to you, it's been a pleasure. And until next time, I'm out.